Hello and welcome back. I am going to be doing a very quick video on step 3. In this step, I'm going to show you how the students are actually going to sign into the class that you created. So here I am on my teacher home screen, and I'm going to come up to my menu, those three bars in the top left-hand corner. If I click on my menu, I'm going to come down and I will see all of the classes that I have added, that I have created. And I'm just going to select whatever class I'm going to be working with. In this case, I'll select ELA Secondary. When I click on my class, the first thing is I can see all of the assignments that I have assigned to these kiddos. But what I want to do is I want to come up here and I want to click on my roster. And here are the kids that are in my class. And here is my class code. Remember, I showed you this class code in the last video. This class code is important because this is how your students will get into your specific class. My class code is 20GYW. So now I want to show you how the kids are going to sign on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch into what we call student mode. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom of my menu, and there's an option to switch to student mode. Student mode is really neat because it allows you the opportunity to see exactly what your students are seeing. So you know by this blue banner that you're in student mode. At any time you can exit and go back to your teacher homepage. So I've clicked into student mode and I'm already in this class. Probably some of your students might already be assigned to a class, but we want them to go into your class. So what we're going to ask students to do is we're going to ask them to come up to this menu. As you notice, it looks very similar to the teacher side. They're going to click on that menu. They have the classes, and all of their classes will populate. You'll ask them to find what you're going to ask them to do is you're going to ask them to join your class. So your class won't be here yet until they've joined it. So what you want your students to do is you want them to click on that plus sign where they can join a class. So when I click on that plus sign, it gives me two options: join one of my classes or join another teacher's class using a code. You're going to want the using a code option. So you're going to click right here. You're going to have the students enter their class code. Our class code was 20GYW, and remember, you can always find that class code right from the roster from your class view. And then I'm going to simply join that class. Well, I've actually already joined that class, but what will happen is your students will then be able to jump into your class, and anything that you have assigned for them will be visible here in their class home screen. So that is a quick preview of step number 3.